I have some of the best, hottest summer fashion finds for you. High-end looks for less that you are going to feel comfortable and effortless in. In fact, I was just at my daughter's dance recitals all this past weekend, and the ladies and the moms, tons of them, could not believe that my outfits were from Amazon. So today I'm sharing some of my secrets with you. I'm going to start off with some nice, effortless pants, and then we're going to move into some two-piece sets, such as this beauty right here I'm loving. Everything I talk about here today will be linked down below in that description box and pinned in the comment section. And if you're watching from your TV or your iPad, you can go ahead and scan the QR code on screen and it will take you to everything in this Summer Fashions Finds playlist. And if you're brand new here, I am 5'7" and I have 4 kids ages 5 through 12, and everything that I purchased here today is in a size small. Oh my gosh, starting off with these capri pants. I can't even tell you how obsessed with these I am. You're gonna see them in a couple other color options in this video because I love them so much. In fact, I want them all. We're gonna pop all the colors on screen so that you can see. These are nice and high-waisted, which I absolutely love. You know, after having 4 children, if you can relate to that, you just want to cover up that area, really accentuate the parts of your body that are your best assets. These feel so nice and stretchy and lightweight. These would be perfect for a belt, perfect on their own. They're also perfect for summer because they are lightweight enough. You can dress these up, you can dress these down. These are great for business, for the office, for any sort of conference or meeting that you have, but it transitions beautifully into a date night look. As you can see from the footage, I paired this with one of my strapless tube tops and it looked so beautiful together. Love these. These nice pants, sort of a paper bag waist. I love them, especially here in this chocolate brown color. Some nice cute pockets on the side. I love the functional drawstring on it, so you can really adjust these, wear them as a low rise, mid rise, or high rise, depending upon how you are feeling. And can I just say, I love the ankle detail here. It's just different than your typical capri pant. Very casual, baseball games, soccer games, but you could also elevate this depending upon the top and the accessories that you choose. Oh, these pants are so chic. They're so fun. They just scream to me, I'm more expensive than I actually am. What's nice about this functional drawstring, it has these little beads here, which makes it a little bit different. And I also love the color and the wash on these pants. These are going to pair with anything, nice and lightweight, perfect for a dinner, a brunch, just out and about, running your errands, doing your thing, and looking your cutest self. Here are those pants that I showed you previously in that yellow mustard color. We have it here in the sort of khaki color. Yes, essential, staple in my closet. Love them so much. Had to get them in this color as well. Oh my word, these polka dot pants, they are so cute. They were so cute online and I had to see if it was actually worth the hype, and they absolutely are. I'm loving these for a variety of reasons. Hanging out in my house, running some quick errands, taking kids to sports, and who knows where. In fact, tonight we have one of my daughters is going to swimming lessons. We have a baseball game for my other son, and for my other son, we have a soccer game. Woofta! Oh my word. So I need pieces that are going to transition very nicely from the beginning of the day all the way until the end of the day. And these pants, just so cute. And I love all of the polka dots. In fact, on my Amazon storefront, I have an entire list of all of my favorite polka dot pieces. And to make your shopping even easier, make sure that you click on my Amazon storefront. It's amazon.com/shop/AndreaJean1. Click on photos. You're going to get a sneak peek of everything before it actually comes to here on YouTube. And it's so nice to shop that way because you can see the pictures and the sizing and the variety of color options that are available for each piece. We're visual people, hence Instagram and Pinterest. So why not use Amazon? So that's why I love shopping on other people's Amazon storefronts as well. Again, make sure that you click that pictures tab so that you can see everything, and be sure to follow my Amazon storefront. Super quick, if you're enjoying this video, will you please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit that subscribe button. These next pants, seeing them all over Amazon, I had to give them a whirl. They are by one of my favorite brands, Ann Rivas, and I have to say they are super cute. They are a jean. I love the waistband. It's a little bit different than anything that I've seen before. Nice and stretchy here on the back. Fun flare detail. I love this paired with just something crisp and white. Last time I promised when it comes to these pants, but here we are in sort of the sea foam green color, or a sage green. I don't know, what would you call this particular green? Love these so much. I won't talk any more about them, but I'm probably going to be purchasing these in some other colors like white. I don't think I yet have a white version. Oh my word, I am loving these capri jeans. Such great quality. I've been seeing these viral all over the interwebs, especially on Instagram. They fit so nicely. I got these in a size small, and typically I'm a size 26 when it comes to pants, and I think that these fit nicely. There's even some extra room for me should I want to, but very comfortable, great quality. Love the hem on them. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure that you do, and Facebook at Andrea Jean Co, because I post on Instagram stories every single day. Pictures, easily clickable. In fact, also on the YouTube community tab here on YouTube, if you head on over there, there are links to everything that I show in videos. And again, it's another great way to see everything visually laid out, the pieces, and a super easy clickable link for you to shop your favorite pieces. These next pants, so lightweight, they were hanging up. I wasn't really impressed by them, but when I put them on, I fell in love. They are by the brand Sampiel. I have purchased several products from the brand and really great quality. I want to know, do these come in different color options? I can't remember, so we're going to pop them on screen. This is perfect for a date night, sort of an elevated look, if you will. But you could also run your kids to wherever you need to go, or your grandkids, or your nieces and nephews. It's just a timeless summer pant to have in your wardrobe repertoire. Now, moving into some two-piece sets, my favorite, because it makes getting ready in the summertime, well, effortless. In fact, well, at my daughter's dance recitals this past weekend, there were 7 recitals, by the way. I'm always eyeing up all the ladies' outfits that I see and come across, like hundreds of women that I got to see their outfits. What are people wearing? What are people interested in? What are people most gravitating towards? And I saw so many two-piece sets. This one is so fun, so airy and effortless. It looks like a skirt on the bottom, but it's actually shorts, which we love, especially when you're getting in and out of your vehicle and bending down. I have a 5-year-old, so she still likes to be picked up. She says, uppy, and I'm like, you're starting to get too big, but I will uppy her for as long as I can, her being my last baby. Beautiful baby doll top on this one with the 3/4 sleeve, very effortless, very lightweight, just the perfect crisp, clean summer outfit. I am dying over this next two-piece set. I saw it online, I loved it, and then I put it on and I loved it even more. I want to know, does this come in multiple color options? We're going to pop it on screen. I cannot remember, but I'm loving the green and white version. It is nice and lightweight. I am going to find myself throwing this on and going, doing all the things that I need to do, and I'm sure you can relate to that as well. This just looks so high-end. Nice 3/4 zip on the front. It also has pockets on the pants, which zip you can put your keys in there or something valuable. Nice stretchy waistband, which is also adjustable. I just love this. I'm going to be living at this in my son's baseball games, which are every single week. This next two-piece set, just perfect in your classic navy blue. I also love the white piping on it. It just makes it look a little bit more visually elevated, if you will. A little bit more expensive, a little less like loungewear, although it's totally loungewear, if you know what I mean. Perfect length on these pants as well. And I'm pretty sure this comes in a lot of different color options because I want them all. Speaking of colors, I have the best video series coming up. I'm going to show you my favorite summer fashion finds in each color category and highlighting the trending colors of this summer, especially this particular color. Right here we got black, we're doing some navy blues and some greens and some reds and maybe more to come, so make sure that you are subscribed so you do not miss that next upload. This next two-piece set viral on the interwebs. I've been seeing on this woman that I follow on Instagram. She has almost 1 million followers and she looked fantastic in it, and I thought, well, will I look good in it? I have to say I love this. So comfortable. It's a skirt on the front, but underneath it's shorts, which you know that I love. Fully adjustable waistband, which is also wonderful. I love the V-neck detail and the collar on this. So in fact, my kids have some golf and tennis lessons this summer, and so this is something that could totally be worn. Not that I have to dress the attire when it comes to golf and tennis, but you know, I certainly like to. But I also enjoy golfing myself, especially with my husband, so this is something that I could also wear. This next denim two-piece set, in fact, I believe I found something very similar to this on Z Supply. However, each piece individually was around $100. So when I found this on Amazon for a fraction of the cost, you know your girl got very excited. We're seeing a ton of this denim on denim look. Very effortless, so classic, so timeless. I guarantee you would find yourself gravitating towards this jean set because it just looks so good all the time. This next two-piece set, it's by one of my other favorite brands on Amazon. I believe it's pronounced Ecower, but they make a lot of pajamas. So this two-piece set could be considered a pajama piece. However, it is a little bit thicker material and feels a little less pajama-like, although it is super soft and comfortable on the body. I would put maybe a white baseball cap with this and some white sneakers and run about my day doing all the things that I need to. I also really love this color combination. It just screams summer to me. This next two-piece set I opted for in the black color because you can never go wrong with black. I love the shorts on this. This is sort of a linen inspired short, very comfortable, very stretchy, paired with this gorgeous top. We're seeing a lot of this particular tank top design because it is so comfortable on the body and it's just airy and easy and breezy. Very chic in this black color, and you could dress this up for a lunch or a date night depending upon the shoes, heels, accessories that you pair this with. I love this butter yellow two-piece athletic set. I cannot remember if this comes in multiple color options, so we're going to pop them on screen. So many beautiful things I want to say about this. Yes, the shorts underneath. I love the pleats here, very soft and stretchy on the body. This comes with a built-in bra. I love the colored neck on this, so you can wear this for golfing or tennis if you're doing that sort of thing, or going to the country club and whatnot. I love that this zips all the way down, but you can see here it has the built-in pads so they're not moving around, especially if you are to wash this, so you can showcase your ladies a little bit more should you want to. I'm completely flat chested, so that does not apply to me, but I certainly can appreciate it on another beautiful woman when I see it. And I also love that this is a two-piece set because you can easily go to the bathroom. It's not like some jumpers or rompers where you completely have to disrobe the top and you're sitting in the stall going to the bathroom hanging out in your bra. Listen, some jumpers and rompers are totally worth it because they are so cute, but this right here, I want every color. This two-piece set, love it here in the pinstripes, blue and white. This is very sort of cotton inspired, although this one I believe is not 100% cotton. I didn't, it is 100% cotton. I was wrong. I did an entire series on all natural 100% cotton and linen pieces from Amazon. In fact, that was a 3-part video series that is linked down below in the description box. So if you love more all natural materials, you're going to want to check that out. Also, again, on my Amazon storefront, I have an entire list. If you click lists, you will see all the lists of things that I talk about here on YouTube and some extras and some bonuses. And there is one specific to 100% all natural cotton and linen pieces, but this one falls into that category. Oh, this two-piece set, I showed it in a previous video in sort of this sagey green color. I loved it so much, I had to get it here. I would call this like an apricot color, if you will. What's really nice about this two-piece set is, well, a variety of things. It looks very chic and elevated, more expensive than it actually is. You can completely unbutton the top, so if it's a little bit cooler in the morning or a little bit cooler in the evening, you have this. And I love to just roll the sleeves because it just gives that added touch of interest and just looking a little bit more chic. But this color, timeless, yes, yes, yes. This next two-piece set is somewhat similar to the one that I just showed you. However, this is in the capri pants. I love the nice flare detail. It also has a zipper on the side, but it is very stretchy, very comfortable on the body. Here we're seeing that black tank top, which is just flowy and airy, feels very dreamy, but also looks very classy all at the same time. I love this two-piece set. I know I say that about everything, but I mean, I wouldn't show it to you if I didn't. These feel so comfortable, and I love this blue color, this sky blue color, very popular right now. Very stretchy waistband. It has the pockets. It's just flowy. In this top here, I love so much because it could look like a one-piece set. However, it is two pieces. So I love the elastic here around the waist, so you don't really feel like you're drowning in the clothes. It just feels more beautiful, more feminine. I think hugs the body very nicely. I cannot say enough good things about this two-piece set. I need to know, does this come in multiple color options? We're going to link it on screen here because I just want every single color. Oh, I just love this. And last but not least, this gorgeous orange two-piece set. Now there's a lot that you can do with this. I love sort of the rib detail, adds a little interest. It feels so good on the body. The shorts are not too short. You can wear this to basically anything. In fact, I'm gonna be wearing this to these swim lessons, to the soccer game, to the baseball game, but I would wear this to a lunch or a brunch depending upon the accessories that I'm gonna pair this with. If I'm wearing this more elevated, I'm gonna change out my jewelry just a little bit, my handbag, and also I'll probably wear like a wedge sandal or maybe even a little kitten heel. It just depends. But again, this could be a totally casual, sporty look altogether. Let me know your favorite piece down below in that comments section, and we've got to keep the fun going. So click this video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.